Hi, this tutorial will show you how to install the Longwatch VCC and the LVE from scratch. Let's get going. Open the folder with the extracted files that you received from us. Right mouse click the Longwatch setup file and choose Run as Administrator. On the welcome screen, you can read the information and make note of the version being installed, then choose Next. On the license agreement page, you can read the agreement, then choose Accept and Next. On the installation option page, select Video Control System, VCC plus LVE to install both the VCC and the LVE at the same time. Then choose Next. By the way, LVE stands for Longwatch Video Engine. The LVE communicates with the cameras and creates and stores the DVR files. The VCC connects to all LVEs. Longwatch supports installing up to 8 LVEs on the same machine, and the LVE can be installed on many machines. Each LVE can support up to 12 cameras or consoles. On the destination location page, you can accept the default location or change it using the Browse option. When complete, hit Next. On the Install License Key page, you can copy-paste the current key and send it to support@ivcco.com. We will provide you with a new key via return email. Once the new key is in place, select Next. You can also get your key later by choosing the trial install for a limited install that will provide 1 LVE, 4 cams, 4 consoles. It will run for 10 days and you'll be required to restart the services every 2 hours. On the Background Services Security Settings page, you can accept this setting and select Next. This service account runs the VCC service and is required if the VCC will access files on a remote machine. On a small single server system, the system account can be used by unchecking the Enable File Share Network Access option. On the Longwatch Video Engine screen, choose the drive where you want to store your DVR files. You can also enable the Auto Configure option when an LVE is being installed on the VCC machine. The ports will be assigned automatically. When complete, select Next. On the Start Installation screen, select Next to start the install. The installation will start and run for a few minutes. I've cut most of it out of this video. During the installation, our no-cost ViewStation Lite client will be installed. We do have a pay-for version of the client app called the ViewStation Pro. SQL Server Express is installed during the VCC install. SQL is used to store LVE and camera configuration information and also stores the alarm and event information. No video is stored in the SQL DB. If there are any problems with the SQL install, please notify support@ivcco.com. Select Finish to end the install. Okay, the installation is finished. To make sure everything installed correctly, click on the Longwatch eyeball in the system tray. It's right here. Clicking the eyeball will pop up the Longwatch control panel with 5 running services. Here, you can stop the notifier service as it's no longer used. Then uncheck Auto Start and apply so it won't auto start in the future. You can then hide the control panel. To verify the install, you can double-click on the VSL icon on the desktop. This will launch ViewStation Lite client app. Integrated security is not enabled in LW by default, so just click OK and VSL app will launch. The tree on the left shows the installed LVE and 2 demo cams. Click on Cam 0 and then on Cam 1 to show the demo cams. To view the VCC admin utility, go to Tools, Camera, Setup. All configuration is done here. This is the LVE configuration page. cameras are configured here. Let's enable the 2 demo cams. Now we'll save and deploy the changes from the VCC to the LVE. When changes are made to the configuration, they will be saved in the DB and deployed to the LVE, which could exist anywhere on the network. A deploy can take anywhere from 20 seconds to a few minutes. During the deploy, the LVE will close the current DVR file and open a new one. You will see a short pause in the live view of any camera on the screen. You can watch the status of the deploy by opening Tools, Diagnostics. The status column will show COM while deploying and OK when finished. The status of config means there is a pending deploy, saved but not deployed. Another way to tell if the deploy is finished is to refresh the client screen to change the color of the square next to the LVE that was deployed. Yellow means pending deploy, green is deploy complete, and red is in the process of a deploy or the VCC cannot reach the LVE. This completes this tutorial. For more information, send an email to support@ivcco.com to open a ticket. Thanks a lot.